Hey guys, how's it going? So this is my next very good food company stock. At least potentially. I don't know. At the end of the day, big money is the one that ultimately moves the stock. But I'm very bullish on this company, and I have a decent amount of money invested into this company. And I'm hoping that this is going to be a 10x return on investment in the long term. But it could be short term too. It just all depends on who promotes it. Wink wink, Jeremy. Just kidding. I don't know. If he does, that would be awesome, and that would be a really quick flip. But I'm hoping to see this thing grow as a story, and I have an investment in it, and I see the risk of this. I see the risk in this stock very low. I mean, it could go all the way down to 20 cents because if we look at the stock, it's been at 20 cents. It got pumped all the way up to like a dollar, and it's pulled back to 40, 50 cents. Um, you know, from a charting perspective, it looks like, it's ready to run. It just needs, some kind of good news, or Jeremy, or, somebody that is big that talks about it, that is not being paid for promotion. Because I basically ran across this company because people were promoting it because they were being paid to promote this company. I'm not being paid to promote this company. When I ran across it, it clicked. It clicked with me. I was like, this feels like a solid investment at these prices. So I went out and I bought some shares. And then as soon as I bought some shares, the next day they announced Platco offer Yam Job franchising opportunity across North America, and the stock jumped all the way up to about 58 cents. I bought another big chunk of shares at 56 cents because that piece of news got me really excited. And the stock fell back because people were nervous and stock market crash and all that, stuff that's going on. So the stock dropped back down to 50 cents. I didn't buy any more, but now that I think about it, maybe I should have bought a little bit more. I don't know, but there's a possibility the stock could drop even lower. I don't know, but I really like this company, and the market cap is so small. It's $21.69 million. It has an outstanding share, at least from Yahoo Finances. It could be more, it could be less. I don't know at the end of the day. It has an outstanding share of 44.18 million. So let's just say, for in theory, if somebody went out and was really bullish and bought like $500,000 of stock, they would own 1 million shares of this company. 1 million share would make the person own 2% of the company, especially sitting at the stock sitting at 44.18 million shares. You would, in theory, if you bought 500,000 shares, you would in theory own 2% of the company because of the amount of shares that they have. But will somebody do that? Will somebody go out and buy 500,000 shares of a million shares of plant coat and base? Well, there's a lot of rich people in this world, and I think this is a really good business. And at the end of the day, it's a waiting game for rich people to come in and pump it. That's what I think. I mean, they might not, but I'll be honest with you. It's been promoted across a lot of channels. There's Rich Live TV. There's, I can't remember all the channels' names because I kind of forgot, but I've seen it probably at least across 3 or 4 channels already, and they got like decent amount of views, like couple thousand. I think even Debenture Capital also Capital Debenture. He also promoted the stock. He got paid to promote. Sometimes being paid to promote does the opposite effect. People like, oh, this is paid to promote, so I don't want to invest into it. You know, that's people like that don't do research. They see paid to promote. They don't do research. I ran across this video because of paid to promote. I done my research and I like what I see, and I feel like the market cap is so small that it easily can double or triple in a very short amount of time because of its extremely small market cap. The stock did, like I said, the stock went almost as high as $1. So could it go back to $1? I think there's a huge possibility it can go back to $1. But only time will tell. We gotta wait for management to execute. But I'm really bullish on this company, and I did go out and I did buy some holy crap because, you know, it's I find the name funny, holy crap. Like, you know what's holy crap? The market cap of this company. That's holy crap. $21 million. Holy crap, that is cheap. You know? Anyways, I just find that name funny. Holy crap. I don't know about you, but it's on Amazon. I didn't buy it on Amazon. I bought it at Save on Foods. Because they were selling it at Save on Foods. I wanted to see for myself if they sold it at any grocery store near me, and they did. Not only do you, when you invest into holy crap, you can one day say, holy crap, I made so much money off this company. Pun intended. Anyways, on top of investing into holy crap, you're also investing into Yam Job reviews, and I'm gonna play a little bit of this video. This is just some regular person on YouTube making a video about Yam Jobs. This was made on December 18th, 2019. So about 2 years ago, and this company was acquired by Plant and Co. At least according to the press release. Let's see. Hold on. Plant Co. completes Armageddon and acquires Holy Crap Brands. No, that's not it. Acquires Yam Jobs, Canada's first plant-based butcher in Ontario. Now, I'm going to play a video of this and then I'll talk more about it.
Our takeaway from Yam Chops, and what was the total?
$22.
$22 for two medium-sized, two 12-ounce takeaway containers, and she let me put like two different kinds in each takeaway container, so like 4 items total, $22, 24 ounces. I did a little taste test in the shop and it's really, really good. I think it'll be better like heated up. Yay! Okay, so just a couple days ago, actually, we finally went to Yam Chops. I am so excited because I've been wanting to go to Yam Chops for a long time. Like, I've heard about them, but I didn't even know how famous they really are.
How famous are they?
Well, they were on Dragon's Den.
Yeah, it's a pretty big deal. And they got a dragon.
Who did they get?
The Boston pizza guy.
What's his name? I forgot his
Tree
name.
is
Oh, Tree Living. Jim Tree Living. So I was very surprised. I didn't know that they were on Dragon's Den.
I've never heard of them until a couple days ago.
Yeah, that's true. They're like a fully plant-based butcher shop. So they have all these like mock meats, and then they have like some other stuff for takeaway, like, you know, things that you can actually get probably at vegan grocery stores as well.
Yeah.
Like some vegan cheeses and some like random stuff like marshmallows and stuff like that. Everything's all vegan. I'm just excited because I really like mock meats. I'm actually one of those unusual people who I really, really like them. I think they taste delicious. Well, not all of them, of course, but there's a lot of mock meats out there that are quite delicious.
Yes, there are. There are.
There are a lot that are not delicious. Is that what you're gonna say?
There are those too. They also exist.
They do.
And honestly, I don't know what it is, but it's just very difficult to replace meat.
Yeah, the flavor.
The flavor, the texture.
If you want to watch the rest of the video, you can go to the website. You can go to the YouTube and look it up. They only had 124 viewers, not that much. But I mean, I feel like Yam Jobs can be a really big winner, especially if they can figure out a franchising system. I don't know if they're still working on the Dragon, but the guy that owns the Boston Pizza franchise, he's helping them with the franchising opportunities. According to this press release, it doesn't really say anything about him helping out, but they probably spend a lot of time because the guy that is helping them, he says that it's really tough to start a franchise, and he's, they spend probably years and years developing a plan and infrastructure to start up a franchising system. And I think the Dragon owns about 30% of Yam Chops business, and once they got acquired by Vegan, I'm guessing that the Dragon is now a shareholder of the Vegan, but once featured on the TV famous Dragon Den's Name Now magazine Reader's Choice Award for Best Butcher and Best Deli in Toronto, and recently recognized in a Wall Street Journal article as leader in the race for a price of the flax meat market. Yam Job is North America's first plant-based butcher shop. For over 12 successful years, it has specialized in developing, preparation, and distribution of plant-based meat and other vegan products. Yam Job. So I don't know if the Dragon is still helping them, but if he is, that would be great, because he has a lot of experience in franchising, and maybe they took a lot of time to develop a franchising system, and they're ready to launch. And I feel like this company could be like investing into early stage McDonald's in the plant-based food area, or Subway, or this could take off. This could be a huge winner. This could be a multi-billion-dollar company in the future if their business is successful. I don't know if their business was successful, but in order for them to be a successful business, I think they're gonna need to raise some money. That's what I think. My opinion. But now on to the Yam Job Shop. They don't just sell their own products. They also sell, Impossible Burgers and Beyond Meat stuff. So they sell basically anything that has to do with vegan. Pure vegan shop, but they're not just focused on their products. They're focused on all vegan products. So I really like that. I ordered from them, but I don't know how long it's gonna take for them to come to me. Bring it to me. I do right now, currently in my hands. I have holy crap in my hands, and I do plan to do a video on it to, you know, do like a first time taste test. But I also want to get other people opinion too, not my own, because I'm a shareholder, so I am biased. I don't trust myself to do my own reviews, right? I don't trust myself. I want to try to be as honest as possible. I want to try not to be biased because I'm a shareholder. But I really, really believe in this company, and I believe that this could be a really big winner in the future. But only time will tell. I mean, it all depends on execution. It depends on big money pumping their stock. I mean, maybe big money won't pump their stock, but if they do, you know, this company manages to raise some money, this could be a very big winner in the future. Like very, very big winner. So that's just my 2 cents on the whole subject. Like, think about very good food company, right? If it wasn't for Jeremy coming in and talking up very good food company, I feel like very good food company would not be sitting at $451 million market cap. I feel like it'd still be sitting at like $2 or $3. That's what I think. Because of Jeremy coming in, it pushed the stock price to $451 million. That's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. So, you know, we'll see what happens with Plantco. I mean, Jeremy could do that. That would be good, I guess. But, you know, I'm not going to cross my fingers for that. I'm hoping to just watch this business from a long-term perspective and watch it grow. If I get lucky, I get lucky. You know, lucky is in Jeremy pumping the stock. It could happen. You know, shareholders, people in his membership could bug him to do research on this company, on Plantco, and he could be like, oh, this could be a 10x stock, and then he makes a video about it, and the stock gets pumped to the moon and becomes the next very good food company. Who knows? At the end of the day, who knows? But I really don't think normal retail investors can even move this stock price. If they can, the stock price would not be sitting at 50 cents right now. It would be sitting at $1. I seen, you know, Rich talked about it. What's his face? Like, I seen multiple YouTube videos on this company, and the stock price didn't even move. It just stayed the same. So, you know, it is what it is. I mean, so, I don't know. Maybe there's some kind of shadiness in this company that I'm not aware of. But they are selling on Amazon. And they have their own like vegan shop. And on top of that, they also do catering. And on top of that, I think they partnered up with Uber Eats, DoorDash, Corner Shop, and Richero. So they're moving a lot of products. And then recently, not too long ago, I believe like a month ago, they said Yam Chops posted a 689% increase in online plant-based food product sales. So yeah, that was like, I believe that was like the tip of the stock price. No, maybe not. Well, pretty close. January 20th was sitting at like 96 cents. And this was posted on February 9th, 2021. And the stock just kind of sold off ever since then. But, you know, the lower the stock price goes, the less risk you take, the higher the reward, in my opinion. So if this thing goes back to 20 cents and you decided to buy 1 million shares, it would cost you like $200,000 and you would own 2% of this company. That's pretty awesome in my opinion. Pretty damn awesome to be like, I'm an owner. I own 2% of this company. That's just cool to say in my opinion. But, you know, not everyone has that kind of money. But I'm very bullish on this company, and the lower it goes, the more I buy. So we'll see what happens. The market is still volatile right now, so it could go down lower. But this is one I'm holding long term. Unless it gets pumped to the moon, then I might, you know, definitely take some profit. But I like, you know, very good food company. I am not a shareholder anymore. I felt like the stock kind of ran off into outer space and is kind of floating there. So I was like, I don't think it's gonna go any higher. I think there's a chance it might go back to $2 or $3. So I sold out completely, and if it goes back to $2 or $3, I might buy back in again. But I think this company could be better than Very Good Food Company as a business. I'm not talking about the stock price, because they are expanding into the US with the butcher shop. They've been developing this plan for years with a dragon. At least I think so. I don't know for sure. You know, they according to Very Good Food Company, the deal didn't go through with them, but this company, I don't know if the deal went through with the dragon. I guess only, you know, I could email the company and ask them if Yamco is still has a dragon involved in it. Yeah, you know, I'll do more research and figure it out. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.